Well, hello everyone. I'm back. The new proud American conservative, yes, with more important info not too many of you can stomach. We would already be in a civil war if it wasn't for a Republican president being in the office. What I'm trying to say is a lot of patriots right now, conservatives, the deplorables, are standing by. They're trusting the plan. They believe that the president is going to do something about this situation. This is why a lot of people complied with mandatory stay-at-home orders, etc. Now, if you just think for a second and imagine if Obama was still in office or whatever other Democrat, what would have happened? You think patriots would have been standing by with all this going on? No, this is because of respect, and at the same time, well, we're trusting the plan. We'll see what the president has up his sleeve. But a lot of people are losing patience right now. You can just see it. You can read blogs all over social media. A lot of people are getting to the point, you know what, I really don't know if president is ever going to do anything about your own safety, or when it comes to this financial storm that we are dealing with right now. And unfortunately, we haven't seen anything yet. We had 1.5 million people that just filed for unemployment last week. And this is just to add to 43 million already unemployment claims just in the last few months. So you got all these people walking around, not working, some of them making more money not working instead of working. So why would you even go to work? So you got all of that, kids not going to school, all these young guys rioting out there, doing whatever, no parent supervision. What a mess. Is why I always say, be your own security. Don't trust anyone. Prepare. Continue preparing while you can. Stack up on ammo and train. Make sure you are ahead of things. You know what's going on and you're not complacent. You have to do it. Unemployment is going to continue to skyrocket. Most businesses are not going to come back. If they do somehow come back, if they survive this corona storm, this madness, what happened with mandatory shutdowns, they're not going to be able to do much, because now you also have this LGBTQ ruling where if you fire someone, they can just say they're gay, and there goes lawsuit. Like, these people, these businesses can handle any more stress, any more issues than they already have. Just a lot of problems out there. There is a little bit time, I hope, to prepare. I always tell you, you have to hedge yourself off against this debt, against the money printing that's going on, which is nothing but money devaluation. If you're getting money, if you're getting something from the government, you were able to put aside a few $100s, few $1,000s, whatever the case may be. Buy yourself an ounce of silver for 22 bucks. Buy yourself a gram of gold. If you can afford an ounce, do so. You have to. Nothing preserves wealth like gold does. It's done for centuries. Back in the 70s, you can buy a fancy suit for a gold coin. Today, you can do the same for $1,750. That's just the way it is. That's how it's been, and that's how it will be. So if you want to speculate in the market a little bit, I don't suggest you to do that, but if you are doing it, you might want to listen to what I'm about to tell you. I am pretty good at what I do. I understand the entire economic system and how the markets are working, not just in the United States, but globally. I study this 20 hours a day. Yes, I sleep 3-4 hours a day. That's it, because I enjoy doing this. In and out procedure, that's my method. Get in, get out. Get in, get out. Watch the trend, watch the patterns. When you see, for instance, let's put it very simply, $1 stock, right? Goes up to $1.15 after the open, couple of hours. Then it drops to 85 cents. Then you see it go back up to, let's say, 110. Then it drops again to about 85, 90 cents. You find that sweet spot, I call, where you can place your position, your limit buy at about, let's say, 85 cents. And then you set limit sell at $1.15 or $1.10. You're looking for a 20, 25, 30 cents range here, the sweet spot. And now you can do a pretty quick math in your head. If you bought, let's say, 1,000 shares of this, if you wanted to speculate for about $1,000 or a little less, you're looking at $300 profit if your position gets filled. If you're able to, let's say, secure this position, you bought at 85 cents and you sold at $1.15. A lot of stocks have these sweet spots, and I post them out on my Twitter page at the New America 77, at the New America 77. Last 2 days, I didn't see anything that I would suggest you guys doing. I just kind of stayed away, and I was hoping some gold stocks would take a hit so I can add to my position. Those are the only ones I'm holding right now, because gold stocks are literally gold mines right now. They are golden. I just don't see them going anywhere, but I'm not too crazy about it either. I just like to own physical. That's my thing. And I like to speculate, as you guys can tell, a little bit in the market and use those profits to buy physical gold and also invest a little bit in gold stocks. So that's my method. I call it Marko's in and out stock market procedure, injecting liquidity into certain sectors, taking it out, and then re-injecting in different sectors, or possibly the same one. Could be the same stock. Just don't get too crazy with that, because you will be labeled as a pattern trader, which is kind of like an honor, in my opinion, to get. But then you can't do it on that platform for 90 days. If you continue buying the same stock, if you're shorting and longing the market successfully, they don't want you to succeed. So be aware of not being too obvious, because it's legal to do it, but not in 5 days continuously doing with the same stock. Be aware of the pattern trading if you are new. And remember, if you don't like to invest and if you don't want to speculate in the market right now, keep it super simple. If you have $10,000, put $2,000 in precious metals. This is just my opinion. I'm not telling you what to do. I'm telling you what I'm doing. If you got $1,000 to your name, not much you can do with that anyways. Put $200 in silver. You can buy 10 ounces of silver. Take care, everyone, and God bless you all. We'll talk soon.